Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, thank you for watching, and if you can, hit the like and subscribe button, also notification bell, maybe share with someone. I'll be very happy if you do that. Anyway, today is going to be a different day than all the other ones. It's been a while since I've done this last time. So the plan is that we're on the way. I'm actually in the car, as you can see already, and I got the whole car actually wrapped up with all my diving gear. So today is going to be a diving trip, probably to the bottom up near Venice beach, with regards to trying to find some fossils. Hopefully some shark teeth. I'm not sure if it's going to be a big one, but I'm hoping that it will be, and I'm optimistic about it. Anyway, if we can get some shark teeth up there and go out and see how the bottom looks like, we might get an idea for later how it will look later in the week. So my plan is that we go up, jump in the ocean, and we'll enjoy the day together, and we'll come back with a nice footage from there as well. Welcome back. Channel. We're now in Manasota Key, trying to see if we can catch some shark teeth. And while we're getting out to the beach, you might as well like and subscribe, hit the share notification bell, and then we'll come back with a nice video here doing this session. We might go diving, we might go just find some teeth, fossils basically on the beach. We don't know yet. We'll see how the conditions are as soon as we go out through this nice area over there, and then we'll know. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. We are getting ready with all the stuff.
size.
That is, that's the open jaw, yeah, exactly.
That's a perfect specimen.
Well, my first full-blown Mako shark tooth found here in Manasota Key after a 2-hour dive. Absolutely perfect. It is now evening, as you can see. People, they have gone home. It's beautiful. What a paradise. And I have to say, I'm really stoked over this find. So I'm gonna see if I can get some light on it and show you the day's find, which is coming up right in a second. Well, here we are the day after our evening, or let's say almost night dive over in Manasota Beach and for shark teeth. And it was actually a quite good dive, I have to say, even though it started getting dark, so I had to go and get up and get onto the shore. However, they are hard to find out there, but as soon as you find these limestone areas and you start moving that dust away slowly, then the shark starts actually to show. And that's how I do it when I get out there. Anyway, I was almost on below the water, below the surface there for about 2 hours. And what was the catch then? Well, here it is. This is what was found on 18 feet of water, more or less. I got a Mako, an absolutely beautiful Mako here. Quite a big one too, a whole bunch of bull shark teeth and everything else. But this is basically what it is, and I'm very happy with this find. You can probably hear it on the video too, because I almost overlooked it. It was actually looking at me like this in the water. It looked exactly like a mussel, so I couldn't really tell if it was a Mako shark or not. But here we go. We look how big it is, and it's completely intact. We're looking at what, 1¾ on the long side there, like this. Looks really cool. So this is absolutely a beautiful tooth, as you can see here. It's all intact, has no feeding damage or anything like that. So I'm actually really happy with this find. Let's hope we can see it in another video at some point. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and keep this as one of my favorites. Beautiful all the way through. So maybe it could be a necklace or a jewelry type thing at some point, but so far I haven't decided yet. But this is the biggest one I got yesterday. The other ones are a mix of lemon shark, bull sharks, and all kinds of other stuff. I have another piece here of a, but it's a heartbreaker though, of a Mako. Unfortunately that was gone as well. Got some other ones that are quite nice, lemon sharks and so forth. I have another lemon shark that's found on the ground though, actually on the beach. It flushed in and washed in with the water in the ocean, so that's possible as well. Anyway, I hope you liked it. This is the major find I got, and I'm actually quite happy with it. So if you don't mind, I would like you to hit the like, subscribe button, notification bell, and then I'll come back with another video as soon as I can. Now it's time to do like a tree and leave, like last time. Have a nice day, and see you next time.